This is Magi. Welcome back to Style Meets Soul. Today we are going deep. We aren't just talking about clothes, we are talking about alignment. Today we are exploring the 7 rules of quiet luxury that make you look effortlessly expensive, not just to others but to yourself. This is for the woman who knows that looking expensive is a signal of coherence, a beautiful translation of her internal energy into the physical world. Let's begin our 10-minute masterclass. Quiet luxury is the art of the quiet entrance. It's the ability to walk into a room and belong before you've said a word. It's about being intentional with every choice. It's not about the price tag or the label, it's about the soul of the garment. It's about the velvet rope principle, practicing selective sharing and the power of the pause. We don't chase logos, we chase impact. And impact is lingering, precise and rooted in standards that you keep when no one is watching. Rule number 1. Pass the fit test. In my 2004 Old Money design code, the first pillar is always the architecture of style. Looking expensive depends on invisible details, the alignment of a seam, the curve of a shoulder. You must dress for the body you have today. A garment that doesn't fit is a microaggression against yourself. It breaks your posture and your peace. When your clothes fit correctly, you achieve psychological ease. You move without constant adjustment. You aren't performing, you are simply being. The silhouette ladder starts with a fitted waist and releases into flow. This balance between structure and movement is the hallmark of a refined presence. Never settle for close enough. A tailor is your best friend in the journey to an expensive look. It's the difference between wearing a costume and owning your image. Rule number 2. Let the logo go quiet. Refined style is about editing. It's the belief that pretty is about adding, but refined is about removing noise. Branding is noise. When you remove the visible logos, the focus shifts entirely to you, the woman. Your face, your eyes, your energy become the focal point of the interaction. A logo is a plea for attention. Understated confidence is a controlled statement. It says, yes, I know, without needing anyone else's permission or validation. We prioritize the quality of the stitch over the recognition of the name. True luxury is an insider's secret, a signal that only those with similar standards will recognize. When you stop being a walking billboard for a brand, you start being an ambassador for your own soul. That is the ultimate shift in power. Rule number 3. Choose fabric that has presence. Fabric is status. It's the second pillar of my design code. We choose integrity over trends every single time. Texture influences thought and behavior. This is enclosed cognition. The weight of tweed gives you structure. The lightness of silk gives you grace and movement. Look for fabrics that hold their shape. Heavy cotton, crisp linen, and cashmere aren't just materials. They are the foundation of your architectural silhouette. Fabric is a translation. A high-quality fabric tells the world you value longevity and standards over the disposable and the immediate. It's an intentional choice. Invest in the best fabrics you can afford. One silk shirt is worth 10 polyester ones because its presence will never fade, and neither will your confidence when wearing it. Rule number 4. Create color harmony. Color isn't loud, insecurity is. My standards color code helps you navigate the moods of your life with precision and bold elegance. Navy and sapphire for calm authority. Warm cream and gold for soft power. Espresso and plum for mystery. These aren't just colors, they are energetic signals. A single pop of color, like a burgundy shoe or an emerald bag, is a sign of confidence. It's a controlled statement that doesn't need to scream to be heard. Harmony is the key. Monochromatic dressing, using variations of ivory, camel, or charcoal, elongates the silhouette and creates a sense of effortless, expensive cohesion. When your palette is harmonious, you appear intentional. You aren't a collection of items, You are a singular, powerful presence that the world cannot ignore. Rule number 5. Edit before you leave. Elegance is the state where your outfit matches your real life. It's about removing the clutter until only your impact remains. It's about alignment. Remove one accessory. The one polished piece rule means balancing your casual luxury with one structured item. Too much detail creates noise. One detail creates focus. Refined is about removal. We edit until the movement is easy. If you have to adjust it, it's not elegant. Movement without adjustment is the goal of a soulful wardrobe. We find the middle ground between being and too loud. We aim for impact, the lingering, precise impression of a woman who knows exactly who she is. When you edit your look, you edit your energy. You walk out the door feeling light, focused, and ready to receive compliments gracefully, without apology. Rule number 6. Maintenance is luxury. High standards aren't just for others to see, they are for you to feel. The care you give your belongings is the care you give yourself. Romanticize your daily life through intentional rituals. Steaming your favorite silk chiffon maxi is an act of self-love. It prepares the garment and you for the day. A polished shoe and a pressed shirt are non-negotiables. They are the architecture of style in action. They signal to the world that you are a woman of detail. Maintenance creates longevity. When you treat your pieces with respect, they reward you with a presence that lasts a lifetime. It's an investment in your own aura. Grooming is the hydrated skin, clean nails, and unhurried movement. These are the standards that make expensive look natural and inevitable. Luxury isn't a purchase, it's a practice. It's the ritual of excellence that you maintain behind closed doors. It's how you romanticize your own existence. Rule number 7. Wear the presence. No outfit, no matter how expensive, can replace your internal energy. You are the source of the impact. The clothes are just a translation. Master the luxury triangle: pace, posture, and attention. Move with deliberate grace, unhurried, intentional steps. Posture that is strong yet soft. Presence that is felt. Speak with intentional pacing. Master the power of the pause. When you are selectively available, you protect your peace and command the respect you deserve. Cultivate a rich inner world. When you are rooted in your own standards, you stop chasing validation. You become the impact, not just a recipient of attention. Elegance is alignment, the state where your movement, your clothing, and your energy are one. It's a powerful, lingering signal of a woman who is home in herself. At Style Meets Soul, we believe that elevated is about intention. It's not about how much you spend, it's about the standards you set for how you show up in the world. We distinguish between attention, which is loud and immediate, and impact, which is lingering and precise. Impact is what people remember when you've left the room. Refinement is a controlled, yes, I know. It's a confidence to be yourself without needing permission from the world. It's a signature accent against a neutral world. Your clothing choices influence your thoughts and behavior. When you dress for the body you have today, with fabrics that have integrity, you tell your mind you are valuable. Real style is a translation of the self, not a performance. It's not a costume you put on to impress others, it's the skin you choose to wear to honor your soul. Become selectively available to protect your peace. Use the velvet rope to decide who gets access to your energy and your time. Your mystery is your power. Don't worry about the psychology of envy. Focus on your alignment. When you are in harmony, your presence is a gift to everyone who experiences it. You elevate the room. Move with unhurried, intentional steps. Speak with measured pauses. Romanticize your life through the standards you keep. This is the path to true refinement. Let's recap our journey. Rule 1. Pass the fit test. Architecture is the foundation. Dress for the body you have today and find your psychological ease. Fit is respect. 1 hero fabric per look. Start fitted at the waist, release into flow. This is the 2004 Old Money design code that never goes out of style. Fit is everything. Rule 2. Let the logo go quiet. Remove the noise. Focus on the woman, not the brand. Understated confidence is the loudest signal you can send to the world. Quiet luxury, choice structured bags, minimal hardware, and a presence that needs no marketing. You are the message. Your presence is the impact. Let the brand fade. Rule 3. Choose fabric with presence. Integrity over trends. Silk, tweed, and wool are the translations of your high standards into the physical realm. Fabric is status. Prioritize integrity. Look for textures that hold their shape. Chiffon for movement, tweed for structure. Every piece should have a soul. Choose wisely. Rule 4. Create color harmony. Use your color code to signal your mood and authority. A single pop of color is your signature. Yes, I know statement. Color is power. Navy, cream, espresso, and charcoal. These neutrals are your foundation. Monochromatic tones lengthen your silhouette and your soul. Create your harmony. Rule 5. Edit before you leave. Remove the noise until only the essential beauty remains. Balance casual luxury with one polished, structured piece. Edit for impact. Movement without adjustment is the goal. If it doesn't match your real life, remove it. Find the refined middle ground between being too invisible and too loud. Edit. Rule 6. Maintenance is luxury. The care you give your belongs is self-care. Steam your shirts, polish your shoes, and romanticize your daily rituals. Maintenance is respect. A steamed blouse and a polished shoe are the acts of a woman who values herself. High standards are maintained behind closed doors first. Keep your rituals. Rule 7. Wear the presence. No outfit can replace your energy. Cultivate your inner world. Master the luxury triangle and move with deliberate grace. You are the luxury. Pace, posture, and attention. Speak with intentional pacing. Receive compliments without apology. Your presence is the ultimate translation of your soul. Wear it well. As we wrap up this masterclass, I want you to remember that elevated isn't a price point. It's a standard of intention. It's how you choose to honor the woman you are becoming. It's about the alignment between your outer style and your inner soul. Real style is a translation, not a performance. It's not about seeking permission. It's about giving yourself permission to be seen, to be heard, and to be valued for your presence. Focus on impact, not attention. Cultivate a rich inner world so that your outer world naturally reflects your peace and your power. This is the soul of quiet luxury. When you align your style with your soul, you become unstoppable. You walk through the world with a coherence that is both beautiful and rare. You elevate everything you touch. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you move with deliberate grace, speak with intentional pacing, and always honor the architecture of your own beautiful style. Apply these 7 rules not just to your wardrobe, but to your life. Standardize excellence in the small things, and the big things will follow with effortless elegance. Remember, you are the message, you are the signal, you are the source of the impact. Wear your presence with pride and let your soul shine through every fiber of your look. Apply these 7 rules to align your outer style with your inner soul. I hope this masterclass has inspired you to romanticize your life and honor your unique presence. This is Magi. Thank you for watching.